Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'll be installing new headlights on my Mustang. Please put that in. Alright, so as you can see, I do have the ambers in here. These are aftermarket. I don't remember which ones they are, but pretty sure they're supposed to resemble the stock ones. And the only reason I'm getting new ones is, well, I don't like the amber, and as you can see, it's kind of starting to peel a little bit. As you can see, I got the new headlight right here. I did it on going with the clear corners. I think it's going to flow better with the silver and whole theme I got going on with the car. So I'm going to go ahead and put in half and half there. I can show you the like before and after of them. Alright, so I got the headlight in, and wow, it makes a big difference, especially the clears being able to pop on the silver. I think it looks really good compared to this amber over here. Which, I mean, yeah, it looks good, and I used to think it looked really good, and then I seen these, and well, it really changed my mind. So I got both of the headlights in now, and I think what I'm gonna go do is go get some pictures of this thing, and I guess I'll bring you guys along. You can see it out in the daylight and everything, so see you guys in a second. Let me know what you guys maybe think about the headlights, if you like them or dislike them. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and all my other social medias to be able to see more content around this car and pictures and everything. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.